What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, if you want to try Cutout Pro yourself, you can click the first link in the description. Now today I'm going to give you my honest review of Cutout Pro, the AI powered creative platform that claims to make background removal, image enhancement and even video editing ridiculously easy. So this is going to be my real thoughts on whether it's worth your time and money. So in case if you don't know what Cutout Pro is, it makes itself as an AI visual design platform. In plain words, it's a collection of tools that help you edit photos, videos fast without needing to be a Photoshop pro. Whether you're running an online store, managing social media, or it's about just fixing up your old family photos, it's basically built to save your time. Now let's talk about some of the features that really stand out in Cutout Pro. So the first one is the image background removal, and we can also include the video as well. This is probably the star of the show. It handles tricky details like hair strands better than most apps I have tested. They even extend this feature to video, so you can remove or replace video background without a green screen. And then we have this photo enhancer and upscaler. So if you have like blurry photos, you can sharpen them up and even restore to your old black and white pictures by adding colors. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see more features like this. And one that really caught my eye was this cartoon selfie. So if you're into creative edits, you can cartoonify yourself or even animate photos a little here. And then you have this passport photo maker. You can upload a selfie and it transforms into an professional looking ID photo with proper background and even a suit. So if I scroll like this, you can see that this particular image have been transformed into like this. So like this, you could be making all these passport size photos. So if you look at the solution, one of the key features is e-commerce. So you can create high quality e-commerce images to get traffic, clicks and sales. So this is one cool features you can look into. So let's have a look at how it looks exactly. So if you look at the AI removal and cutout tools, so if I do like this, you can see that that particular image over here has been disappeared. There's a little bit blur over here, but still it looks kind of good. And then you have this remove background in from video. Here the background is completely changed, so you could be doing that. And here you can do a face cutout. Basically your face is going to be left. And here also is the same thing. You can remove the background from your photo and the strands of your hair looks super clean. So that's a cool feature. And if you scroll, you can explore more AI. So this is like the video enhancer and it looks good. And here is the photo enhancer. This is the blurry image and you can make it like this. And then you have a photo anima. Then basically you can turn a photo into moving video and bring a portrait to life. But it looks kind of creepy. Your eyes, gestures, it's not really up to it. Maybe all these features you see over here won't be the best because AI is still developing, and in the following weeks or months we can see a huge improvement to it. And here you can do the cartoon selfie, and here you could be making all your black and white photos into color photos, so that's also a cool feature. And then you have this blur background, basically you're making it portrait. And you have this free AI interior design tools. So let's have a look at each one of them. So let's go to remove unwanted objects and let's see if I can actually do it. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go with the images that Cutout Pro has given us. So let's have a look at. Okay, so it says here smear repair. So let me say I don't want this person over here. So as you can see the picture, the person is gone, but still there is an error. So I'll do one thing, I'll do again. Okay, now it looks really good. My brush size was actually a little big. Maybe that's why I have to do multiple tries. So as you can see, the photo has came out to be good. I have completely removed the photo and this area looks kind of normal. And after you're done, you can go ahead and click on done. And you can go ahead and download in HD. It's going to cost you around 1 credit. So that's a cool feature that you want to try. You can see the original and the result button. It looks kind of good. Now let's go ahead and maybe try the face cutout. So we have some sample photos. Let's go and try maybe this baby over here. So as you can see, that's the original photo and this is what it has come up with. And also there is an editor. You can go ahead and change the background if you want. And that's very easy. Maybe you want a custom background, you can do that as well. So after you're done, you can go ahead and click on done. It's going to look like this. And also you'll be able to upload a background if you want, and you can go ahead and download in HD. And you can do the same thing for the remove background from video. And the thing is that it's going to take 10 to 20 minutes in order to actually generate the video, which is why I'm not going to be showing you in this video. But I'll show you all the photo ones. Now maybe let's try this photo enhancer over here. Let's see if it works well. So we have this Naruto photo which is given by Cutout Pro, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, this is the original and this is the result. It looks kind of good. So you could be doing this and you'll be able to download it in HD. And now let's see the passport photo maker and let's just see. So you can go ahead and maybe we'll try this. And the cool thing is that you can select the sizes. Maybe you're from Argentina, so your passport size looks like this. And the paper size and all of that, you can go for that. And then here you have the background color. Maybe if I want this, I can go for it. And for the dress, maybe if I want this. So as you can see, it have changed. Maybe let's try a suit. So that looks really good. So make sure your photo is like picture perfect, because I have seen some people having issues with it. So make sure you're straight up and a little bit of your chest area is also shown, and that way the AI can actually recognize it, and based on that you can upload it. So I'll tell you the pros and why I like about Cutout Pros, then I'll go to the cons. So the first thing is the ease of use. You literally drag and drop and get the result. It's that simple. And the accuracy, the AI is surprisingly precise, especially with tricky hair and edges. And there's a variety of tools, which is very cool about it. It's not just one feature. You get background removal, enhancement, animation, cartoon effects, and more under one roof. And it's also a time saver. If you have ever done manual cutouts in Photoshop, you know how painful it can be. And also the affordable pricing. So if you go to the pricing over here, it's starting around $10 per month for light users. Very reasonable considering the pricing. So I wouldn't say much about it. And the con is the video background removal, which is over here. It's going to take some time. It's going to take about 10 minutes to actually generate it. And the fast motion or text overlays can confuse the AI sometimes. So that's one thing to consider. And then you have the cartoon or animation feature. It is fun, but sometimes it doesn't look that great. So that's one thing to consider. And also one thing I have noticed is that there is limited bulk uploads. So great for one-offs, but if you want to process hundreds of photos at once, it's not the smoothest. And there is little minor bug which Cutout Pro or maybe most of the software has, but I believe that they will make improvements on that as well. Now let's talk about who should use Cutout Pro. So if you're an e-commerce sellers who need clean product images, or maybe a social media creator who want quick edits and creative filter, maybe a freelancer or marketer who don't want to spend hours on Photoshop, anyone with old photos who wants to restore or colorize them, if you're a pro designer who enjoys full manual control, this won't replace Photoshop, but if speed and convenience matter more to you, then this would be a right fit. If you value speed, simplicity and affordability, It's not flawless, but for most everyday ending tasks, it nails it and saves you a ton of time. If you want to try it out, reminder link is right there in the description. Go click it, test the free credits and see for yourself. Thank you for watching. Drop your comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, click the link in the description to get started.